Ankita Agrawal.
And I am CA Suyog Narvekar.
We together welcome you to the 38th Regional Conference of WIRC of the ICI. And ladies and gentlemen, it is certainly a distinct honor and privilege to be a part and serve as Master of Ceremony for this grand event.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we are all here to welcome you to this wonderful event. And to start with, we would like to begin with the theme of and Vikasit Bharat. We, as chartered accountants, were called as partners in nation building by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. और जैसे कहा जाता है ना कि इमारत की नींव जितनी स्ट्रांग होती है उतनी ही बड़ी इमारत बनती है. The knee of the Indian economy are us chartered accountants, and the stronger we are, the sashakta we are, developed will be the Indian economy. Vikasit Bharat.
I would like to add on to that, India is now land of opportunities, and these opportunities are ever growing with the dynamism of reforms introduced in the past years, with the promise of even more reforms to come. So this combination of reforms with the unique Indian advantage of a young population will only enable India to witness further growth and prosperity in the years to come.
This is a wonderful quote from the Bhagavad Gita. Karmanya vadhikarsate ma phaleshu kadachana. You have the right to work, but never to the fruits of the work. This is a very apt idiom for us chartered accountants, because we are the only profession which grows with its clients. जब तक हमारे client की growth नहीं होती, हमारी growth नहीं होती. So we are the ones who do the work. We have the right to do the work, but we do not look at the fruits of the work when we do it. A Sashakta CA is the one who is committed to excellence, irrespective of the recognition that follows. And to begin with, we will start by giving an ode to the goddess of knowledge and education, Ma Saraswati. And to give that ode, we have a Saraswati Vandana presentation by none other than CA Purvi Jhaveri. So can we have CA Purvi Jhaveri on the stage, please? Purvi, are you here? Yeah, Purvi is just getting ready. She's putting the finishing touches. Before Purvi starts, we would like to go with the acknowledgement of our sponsors, because this mega event is only possible due to them.
So before we dive into the wealth of knowledge and the discussions further lined up for today, I would like to take a moment to acknowledge and thank you for the generous sponsors. Without them, this conference wouldn't have been possible. It's Birla Estate. So next, a name synonymous with luxury and sophistication in the real estate sector. As chartered accountants, we often find ourselves advising clients on the best investment opportunities. Birla Estates represents not just a real estate investments, but a lifestyle upgrade, offering our clients a chance to invest in properties that stand as a testament to luxury living.
Chartered accountants, their stall is right outside. I'm sure you must have noticed it. And every stall which is there is going to add value to us and our profession. So the next sponsor is Centrum Wealth, which is a wealth management firm. In today's fast-growing financial landscapes, partnering with partners like Centrum will enhance the value that we give to our clients. By integrating their services into our offerings, we can provide value-added investment solutions, ensuring that our clients' portfolios are not only diversified, but also optimized for growth. They are the first stall when you enter in this premises.
And lastly, I would like to take the name of Zoho, a name that resonates with innovation and efficiency in the world of ERP solutions. In today's digital age, ERP systems are the backbone of any successful organization. Zoho solutions not only streamline business processes, but also provide us with the opportunity to expand our practice by partnering as implementers. By integrating Zoho into our service, we can drive greater efficiency and value in our clients' businesses.
So, ladies and gentlemen, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हमारे परफॉर्मर के लिए जो सरस्वती वंदना परफॉर्म करने वाले, तालियां हो जाए.
Huge round of applause
For CA Purvi Jhaveri. Can we have the Saraswati Vandana for her, please?
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमाम् आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीम् अभयदाम् जाड्यान्धकारापहाम् हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्
Wow. You want to speak something, Purvi? Yeah, please. It's continuing? Okay, I'm so sorry. The music is continuing. Can you please play the music further, please?
गजवदन वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय गजवदन वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय
गजवदन वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय दशावतारी आम्ही धरितो तुमचे खपाय दशावतारी आम्ही धरितो तुमचे खपाय हे
गजवदन वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय हे गजवदन वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय हे गजवदन वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सिंदूर लाल चढ़ायो अच्छा गजमुख को दोन दिल लाल विराजे सुत गौरी हर को हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को जय देव जय देव जय जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता जय देव जय देव भाव भक्ति से कोई शरणागत आवे संतति संपत्ति सब ही भरपूर पावे ऐसे तुम महाराज मोको अति भावे गोसावी नंदन निच दिन गुण गावे जय देव जय देव जय जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता जय देव जय देव टांगण वंदीन चरण डोळ्यान पाहिन रूप तुझे प्रेमे अलंगिन आनंदे पूजन भावे वाळिन म्हणे नावा त्वमेव माता पिता त्वमेव बंधुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या तरुणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृति स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायति समर्पयामि अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्णदामोदरं वासुदेवं हरि गिरिधरं माधवं गोपिकावल्लभं जानकीनायकं रामचन्द्रं भजे हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे
Huge round of applause for everyone who has assembled here. So let's start this event. Ankita, can we please start off the session?
Yes, I would request our key people for today on the stage. May I welcome Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, National Stock Exchange of India, on the dais, please.
Mr. Ashwani Bhatia, the whole-time member of SEBI.
Shri Dinesh Kumar Khara, Chairman, SBI.
We would request CA Gautam Lat, Secretary WIRC, CA Saurabh Ajmera, Chairman PD Committee, our Vice Chairman of the Institute of WIRC, CA Rahul Parekh, and the Chairman, CA Ankit Rathi, to be on stage as well. I would
also request CA Pinky Kedia to be on the dais, please.
So I'd request everyone to please stand up for the ICAI motto.
ICAI motto, please.
य एष सुप्तेषु जाग्रति य एष सुप्तेषु जाग्रति कामं 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 कामपुरुषो पुरुषो निर्विमाणः निर्विमाणः तदेव शुक्रं तद्ब्रह्मा तद्ब्रह्मा तदेवामृतमुच्यते तस्मिन् लोकः शतः सर्वे तदूनात्यपि कश्चन एतद्वैता
Thank you, everyone. I would request the dignitaries on stage to please proceed for the lighting of the lamp ceremony. I would also call the dignitaries off the stage, regional council members, central council members, and speakers of the sessions to please come for the lighting of the lamp ceremony. Let them start then.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश मतिं स्वच्छामि मे सदा शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Thank you very much. I request the dignitaries to come on stage again, please. So now that the lighting of the lamp ceremony is completed,